can you find the mate in 2? We're up an entire rook, and the black king is trapped on the side of the board. However, there's only one way to find mate in 2, but it's pretty hard to spot. At first, you might think of taking this pawn, but this is a huge blunder because remember, the black king is trapped on the edge of the board, and notice how none of black's pawns can move. Thus, this is a stalemate, so you cannot take on f5. Okay, so what about moving a pawn, let's say h3? Well, if you play h3, you might see, well, if takes, then the rook can just mate the king in the back, but black is not forced to take us and can now instead just play f4. And yes, even though you can get mate a couple moves later, this is mate in 3. So then what's the move? The only move for mate in 2 is f4. And you might say, well, that's just stalemate, right? Well, black has only one legal move, Enceinte, giving it an honorary brilliant, because in this position, what sussy move do we all play to win?